Today, we're going to make a favorite. We get lots of requests for this one. It's our Margherita pizza. Oh my goodness, doesn't that sound such romantic? A Margherita pizza. We're gonna make a Margherita pizza, show you how to do it, and boy, you are ever going to enjoy it. Support us on Patreon because this is what we do. We cook, we just love to cook. I'm Chef Don McMillan. We're making Margherita pizza, and oh, you're gonna just love it. Hey, this is the dough. I've given you that recipe. I'm rolling it out. I wanna be sure it's gonna fit my pan, and I'm gonna bring my pan right over here now. It's hot. Just had it in the oven, okay? It's hot. You gotta preheat your oven, your stone. Look at this. That's our pizza stone. Be very cautious, very cautious. Okay, let's go ahead and put our dough on there. And I found that it's much easier to put your dough on there. Just be careful with your fingers, okay? That's it. And now what I'm going to do is just make a little bit of a lip. A little bit of a lip, just like that. It's already cooking the dough, yes. Just a little bit of a lip to keep the sauce from going into your oven, all right? Keep that in mind. You want to keep the sauce. All right, there it is, there it is, there it is. Good. Now, check what I'm using. These are the San Marzano organic peeled tomatoes. They're wonderful. We're going to use that to make our pizza sauce. I'm also going to use some basil right here from our yard. We have a basil plant. Roll up your basil leaves. Give them a little bit of a slice. It's called chiffonade. Throw that into the tomatoes. Here's our oregano. Let's put some oregano in there. And we're going to give that a nice little chop. And that goes into our sauce as well. Using fresh herbs. Wonderful fresh herbs that are going to add such value to this pizza. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a short while. All right, in there it goes. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my fingers and just squish like that. Look, just squish. These are the tomatoes of San Marzano tomatoes. They're so good. Just squish them, make our sauce really nice. Okay, good. And now marry them with the basil and a fresh oregano. Let me rinse my hands off. Okay, and now we're going to take our ladle and we'll ladle on tomatoes right on our pizza dough. Spread them around. Yeah, look at those tomatoes. Don't they look beautiful? And this, of course, you know, is maybe a Margherita pizza that has lots of tomatoes. That's part of the deal, is the tomatoes. So we're going to put these San Marzano tomatoes on there, and then I have some nice plum tomatoes I'm going to slice and put them on there as well, along with some fresh mozzarella. Okay, I think that's good. I got it covered there. Okay, good. Now, tomatoes. Just slice up a few tomatoes right here. It's always good to have a sharp knife, isn't it? Okay. I don't know if that's enough. Let's see. Put these on there. Let's see what it looks like. Wonderful tomatoes. Yeah, we can use a few more. Let's do that. Okay. Fresh mozzarella. I'm going to put some of that on there. This cooks up so beautifully. It really makes your pizza. It looks gorgeous. Obviously tastes delicious. And that's what it's all about, right? It has to taste good. Now, I have more basil right here. And I'm gonna do the same thing we did before. Just turn it like this, slice it, or chiffonade. Same thing here, nest them, then roll them up, and then just slice, and then we're gonna sprinkle them around. Fresh basil, yes indeed. It's gonna make it just perfuming. Now, this is gonna go into our hot oven, 450 degrees, and we're gonna watch it bubble up. Depending on how your oven works, it could take as long as, say, Margherita pizza, straight from the oven. It's hot, be careful.
Yeah.
And it's cooked on that stone. Remember how much we like cooking that dough on the stone. Makes it nice and crunchy, makes it nice and flavorful. And I understand this is Lori's favorite pizza, isn't it?
That's right. Lori's behind the camera, operating it. What do you think, Lori?
But they're even better when they're together, right? Yes. One in each hand. A slice and a yeah, that would be Nirvana. It would be. It'll be Margherita in Margherita heaven. Hey.
I like the crust, how it's not just so perfect, it's just original.
Well, yeah.
Because everyone's different. The fresh tomatoes, the way you slice them nice and thin and thick.
Yeah.
And then that delicious fresh mozzarella.
I love fresh mozzarella.
How it just browned on the top.
Yep.
Perfect to eat. And then you chiffonade the basil from
Yes,
our garden
that's
right
right.
outside the
Right.
store here.
Fresh, doesn't get any fresher, does it? Fresh mozzarella, fresh herbs, fresh from the oven pizza.
That's right. Let's cut this on and check it out.
Just got. All right, wait a minute. Before they do that, they got to subscribe. You also got to support us on Patreon because we got so much to offer. You know we're going to give you exclusive content, early access. You're going to get these videos before anybody else does. Behind the scenes nonsense, you're going to see all of that, and no ads. And remember, this is some of the best pizza. We've been going through pizzas like crazy today. We also call this what? Neapolitan pizza. I've heard that, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so let's do it. We're going to cut this pizza up.
Oh, yeah.
Hear that crunch?
Oh, I can hear it.
Yeah, man.
I know Lori back there can't wait to get a slice of this.
That's right. Okay, you're ready. All right, that sounds good to me. Yeah, so we'll start with small slices and work our way up.
Right.
But there we go. Just have, oh, you need cheese on yours, don't you?
Yeah.
Put that. All right, here we go. Remember, it's hot now. It came out of the oven. All right, don't.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. It'll melt your dental work.
Tomatoes are awesome.
I like the basil.
Basil.
I like that crust. Look at that crust.
Yeah.
Nice, crunchy. Yeah.
Hey, look what we got here. This is a brand new member of our family. We just adopted her 7 days ago. And her name is Daisy. Isn't she beautiful? She's going to be some of our videos. And in the near future, we're going to make dog food, dog biscuits, and some other fun stuff just for Daisy to try.
That's right.
Sure will.
Yeah.
A little scrap right here. Let's see if she likes it. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's crunching on it, too. Can you hear it?
Yeah. I love it. And she loves that dough.
Love you, baby girl.
Yes. Well, we want to share more with you. As a matter of fact, we want to even share, and Andrew's going to tell you how we can share one of our aprons just for you.
That's right. So, when you subscribe, put in the comments if you subscribe. We're going to pick one person for every 50 subscribers, and for free, we're going to mail you a brand new apron. Not the ones that we're wearing, with all the dust and flour and pizza sauce on it. We're going to send one to you in this package, absolutely for free. No matter where you live in the world, you're going to get one. So we're going to pick one person out of every 50 subscribers who's going to get a brand new apron right from us.
That's right.
About that?
I think it's wonderful. And of course, when they watch our videos, they're always going to remember that they are simple and delicious. Delicious. Yes. So check us out. We got a lot more coming on. We want to see you again.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Right.